Hi dear students, welcome to the second video on the introduction to biochemistry. In this video, I'm going to explain the importance of biochemistry in different fields such as medicine, health, nutrition and more. Before we dive into the topic, I'll give you a brief introduction. As I said in the last video, biochemistry is the domain of large biomolecules. Is it important to understand? Yes, of course, you will have to understand this. Anything that has to do with nutrition, medicine or general health is rooted in biochemistry. That's because nutrition has to do with metabolism, a chemical process by which the molecules in our body break down the food we eat. Your health is governed by biochemistry as well, because all the diseases have a molecular basis. When you really get down to it, you are just a bunch of molecules. So we need to know what they all do. That's why the domain of biochemistry is so often misunderstood. Everywhere you look, there is a misinformation. Diet fads, medical hoaxes, and pseudoscience from every direction. Many people, when they are looking at their own health, even try to skip away from the science completely, opting instead for unsubstantiated alternatives. This is a poor strategy because the status of everything in your body is governed by large biomolecules like proteins, enzymes, and receptors and DNA. These are the molecules that biochemists understand very well, and we all need to learn about them if you want to have any kind of a clear picture about what goes on inside our body. Unfortunately, you can't understand biochemistry without understanding the basic chemistry. And what these large biomolecules do is fundamentally the same stuff we learned in general chemistry and organic chemistry. It's just a bunch of positive and negative charges that makes the chemical reactions to happen. If you are a biochemistry teacher, has a chemistry background, it will be very useful for you. I will teach you some important chemistry topics that is very useful for understanding biochemistry following this video in the introduction series. So stay with us and be sure to subscribe our channel. Coming back to the topic, importance of biochemistry in different fields. I will explain you with the help of some biochemical disciplines such as physiology, pathology, etc. First one is physiology. Biochemistry helps us understand how the body functions at molecular level, including its metabolism, enzyme activity, and biochemical pathways. Second one is pathology. It explains the disease mechanism by studying the biochemical changes, helping in the diagnosis and the treatment of conditions like diabetes, genetic disorders. Third one is nutritional deficiency. Biochemistry identifies deficiencies in vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, allowing the proper dietary recommendations and supplementation. Fourth one is hormonal deficiency. It plays a key role in understanding hormone imbalances, leading to effective treatment for conditions like hypothyroidism and diabetes. Next is importance of biochemistry in nursing. So here first is kidney function test. It helps monitor kidney health by measuring creatinine and urea levels, essential for managing conditions like kidney failure. Second one is blood tests. It provides vital information about infections, anemia, and blood sugar level, guiding patient care and treatment. Liver function test. Assess liver health by measuring enzymes like ALT and AST, crucial for diagnosing liver diseases. Serum cholesterol test. It helps to evaluate heart disease risk by measuring cholesterol level, enabling early intervention. Next is the importance of biochemistry in agriculture. First is it helps to prevent diseases. Helps identify plants and animal diseases early, leading to better disease management and healthier crops and livestock. Second, enhance growth. Biochemical research improves fertilizers, hormones, and nutrients to promote plant and animal growth. Third one is enhance yield. Genetic and biochemical advancements helps to develop high yield crop varieties and improve livestock productivity. Fourth one, adulteration. The biochemical tests detect food and feed adulteration, ensuring quality and safety in agriculture and animal products. Fifth one is biochemical tests, which used to assess soil fertility, water quality, and pesticide residues, helping in sustainable farming. Sixth one is animal husbandry. It supports livestock health by improving feed quality, disease prevention, and breeding techniques. Next is fisheries. It helps monitor water quality, fish nutrition, and disease control, ensuring sustainable fish farming. Next is the importance of biochemistry in nutrition. First one is food chemistry. It explains the composition of food, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, essential for a balanced diet. 2. The role of nutrients. It highlights how macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and micronutrients such as vitamins, minerals contribute to growth, immunity, and overall health. Third one is the nutrient value of food. It helps to determine the nutritional content of different foods, ensuring proper dietary choices for
maintaining health and preventing deficiencies. Fourth one is medical dietary recommendations. Physicians use biochemical knowledge to suggest dietary restrictions such as limiting sugar for diabetes or reducing fat intake for heart patients. Next is the importance of biochemistry in pharmacy. First is drug constitution. Biochemistry helps understand the chemical composition and mechanism of drugs, ensuring their effectiveness in treatment. The half-life. It determines how long a drug remains active in the body, guiding dosage schedules for safe and effective treatments. Drug storage. It ensures proper storage conditions to maintain drug stability and prevent degradation. Drug metabolism. It explains how the body processes and eliminates drugs, influencing dosing and potential side effects. 5. Biochemical test. It is used to check drug purity, potency, and safety before they reach patients. Next, importance of biochemistry in biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biochemistry is essential in genetic engineering, where scientists modify DNA to create genetically modified organisms and also develop therapies for genetic diseases. Next, importance of biochemistry in environmental science. Understanding biochemical cycles such as carbon and nitrogen cycles, which helps in tackling environmental issues like pollution and climate change. Next is importance of biochemistry in forensic science. Biochemical techniques such as DNA fingerprinting and toxicology tests are widely used in forensic investigations. They also help in solving crimes by analyzing biological samples like blood, hair, and tissues. Next is importance of biochemistry in microbiology and immunology. Biochemistry is vital in understanding microbes, their metabolism, and their interactions with humans. It contributes to vaccine development, antimicrobial resistance research, and immune system studies. In conclusion, biochemistry is an integral part of multiple fields, making significant contributions to science, technology, and human health. Its applications continue to expand, shaping a better future for society. Thank you for watching this lecture.